So how do you turn off the floating keyboard in the iPad, like in the settings? So let me talk about it and explain it. And if it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe and we can get into it. So you probably know that if you are inside of the keyboard on your iPad, you can pinch in on it and turn it into a floating one. And then you can tap on the full screen or even hold down on this button and switch it between the floating and regular. And of course, some people like it and some people do not. But when it comes to the settings of the iPad, when you go to general and find the keyboard in here, there isn't really much about the floating keyboard, right? There is one setting, which is the slide on floating keyboard to type, which basically refers to the sliding motion to write words, even on smaller floating keyboard. But outside of that, we don't really have the ability to turn off the feature entirely. Like if you don't want it to ever happen to you that you do this, then it's not possible to do, but with the Apple keyboard only. Because if you notice, when I hold it down on the globe icon in the bottom left, I can choose between the different languages and so on, but I also have like a different keyboard entirely, which is called the Swift key. And this is a keyboard which I downloaded from the App Store. And in here, we don't really have the ability to kind of like go to the floating mode, simply because it's a entirely different app and keyboard. So if you are interested in that, you can definitely go to the App Store and look up either the Swift key, as I have in here, which is made by Microsoft, or there is also the Google Gboard, which is also a very popular keyboard, which you can also add to your iPad to replace the built-in one. And as I say, we no longer really have the ability to turn it into the floating one or anything like that. So that is, I believe, the only way to kind of like disable the whole feature completely. But I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to explain right now. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about this topic below. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.